My name is Andrew from Genova Technologies Private Limited, and here I am introduced to you construction management software. We are construction management software team and this is our own developed software. The main purpose of developing this software is to get the contractors to track the project activities and estimates of each projects. We have developed this software online so you can access it from anywhere in the world. The software is secured with a user ID and password. Here I am showing a demo video of the software. I have already entered the user and password here and I am going to sign in. After signing in, the software takes you straight to the dashboard where you can see many features. First I am going to tell you about Inquiry Menu. Through this Inquiry Menu you can manage your incoming leads, you can follow up these leads, call them and get their reports. The second option to create a sales quotation. If you want to create a quotation for a customer, you can directly create the quotation from the software and print it. Now let's see how to create a project. We have provided a very simple form in the software. After filling and submitting this form, you can store a project. After filling and submitting this form, you can store a project. Now let's open a project's dashboard. We have designed the project's dashboard in this software to be very informative. Once you open a project, you can quickly understand the overall report. On the dashboard of the project, you can see the total budget of the project, how much money you have received, how much expense you have spent on the project, the amount you have with the project amount with credit, purchase payment, subcontract payment, labor payment, salary, vehicle, the actual profit of the project and the balance amount. Also we have added the summary report of the project in the dashboard itself. The next link you can see in the invoice option, you have the option to create an invoice showing how many payments you have received for this project. You can print invoice and send it to the customer. Next link, security deposit. If you have any security deposit in bank for this project you can add, and give you its expiry date. You will get notified from our software. The next link is BOQ, where you can enter all the things you need for a project such as materials, labor, expense and a bill of quantity. The next link is project schedule, where you can divide all the tasks in a project into schedules, and work according to the schedule. Next link is custom requirements. If there is any compliant or additional work from client side while the work is in progress, you can add to this custom requirements. When you take a look at the report, you can understand what additional work has been done and how much total payment has been made. The next link is purchase. You will get the report of how many materials have been purchased for a project. There are 3 options available: purchase request, purchase order, and purchase bills. These 3 options you can use. The next link is stock management. If the company has a warehouse, then the company has the option to store the material to the warehouse and transfer the material to the work site. An option to transfer the balance material to the warehouse or to the next project is available. The next link is labor wage slip. You can understand how many labors have been worked on daily wages for a project, and the advance payment to be given to them. The report software shows us how much payment a labor total is due at the end of the week or at the end of the month. Next link, tools management. Tools management gives you accurate reports on which company-owned and rent tools are used for the project. When you look at the tools reports of many companies, for a year or 2 years, tools worth 5 rupees locks or 6 locks are missing. You can solve this problem with tools management option. Next link is salary slip and payment. You can generate salary slip for office staff by this project. The next link is vehicle work slip payment, where you can track the details of all vehicles worked to a project. Next is link is expense bills. In this software you can add the expenses per head wise. Here you can get total head wise reports for a project. The next link is subcontract. If you are providing subcontract work to a project, whether it is per square feet rate or fixed rate, subcontract who comes and buys daily amount, and you can get the report of the total amount paid and balance to pay to a subcontractor from a project. Next link is project documents. All the copy of documents we need for a project can be linked and stored in this software. Next link is the daily tasks, where you can set daily tasks for a project and work on them accordingly. Next link is daily notes. Within this daily note, you have the option to write a note about the daily happenings of a project. Next link is assign supervisor. You can assign supervisor to this project. We provide mobile app for Superviser. This is how many options you can see inside a project. Now once you open the main menu, you will see more options here. Accounts management will be available to you. You can get the company's cash account or bank account ledger, as well as supplier, HR, labors, expenses, etc. We are providing mobile app to the supervisor, and we are tracking their daily attendance along with GPS location, according to which a supervisor has reached work site or any other location. Petty cash option is available in our software. You can manage the petty cash given to the supervisor for expenses. You can also take from the report how much balance payment they have left. Also in this software, you can get income expense report of total project, as well as daily transaction, day book report, project report, purchase report, tax report. All these you can get this software. We are very grateful that you took the time to review our software. You can contact us through phone or email for any queries you may have on the software. Thank you.